The viral video features German chiropractor Murat Colak performing neck adjustments on a Rottweiler named Hailey, capturing hearts worldwide.
Ihr Blick.
Alles gut?
Despite the unsettling sound of the dog's neck cracking, Hailey's reaction is heartwarming, with her ultimately being okay and even comforted by Colak. The video gained millions of views across social media platforms, with viewers praising Hailey's reaction and likening it to a factory reset. Hailey's owners confirmed her well-being after the visit. Colak specializes in animal chiropractic care and osteopathy, showcasing his skills in healing dogs and horses along with treating people.